My biggest marketing win. If you had to guess, what do you think my biggest marketing win was? Leave a comment with what you think it is. I'll give you a hint. It involved SEO, social media, email marketing, and even releasing a tool for free on my website. Well, it's not a specific channel. It's actually leveraging all channels. In essence, my biggest win is using omnichannel marketing. See, I saw this from being in the marketing industry for over 20 years. Over time, platforms change. And as they change, sometimes you end up on the winning end, and a lot of times you end up on the losing end. In most cases, you'll end up on the losing end. So what do? You leverage all the channels for what they are. You let them drive you traffic and brand awareness as much as possible and for as long as possible. But the moment their algorithm changes and it doesn't favor you, of course, try to adapt. You won't always get the results you want, and that's okay. Just leverage them for as long as you humanly possibly can. And keep in mind, something is better than nothing. I know that is a cheesy answer on my biggest marketing win. I just focus on all the channels because I knew over time, and I've seen it, no matter what channel you go after, the algorithms over time won't always favor you. So you have to be prepared for that. Just look at some of the biggest companies, Microsoft, Apple, IBM, Accenture, or even Airbnb. None of them generate all their sales driven traffic from one channel. They all leverage as many as possible. It doesn't matter if one channel can't scale as well as another, or if one channel is as profitable as another channel. As long as you can get traffic and they're profitable, you keep doing them as long as possible. Take advantage of them. Don't nitpick, just be happy that you found this other opportunity that will also provide you with more growth. The more you add into your marketing mix, the better off you will be. It's a numbers game. Remember, no one marketing channel builds a company. In today's day and age, it's a number game. Now, if you need help expanding your marketing channels, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you're on 1 or 2 or even 3 marketing channels, and that's your focus, you're making a big mistake, and I've been there. And I've seen companies get slapped for this, but when you take that omnichannel approach, you're gonna be way better off. Your business is gonna be much more resilient, and you're gonna continually grow over time. And as I mentioned, you need help with this, check out my ad agency. If you enjoyed this video, like it, tell people about it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help, of course.